Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kabar para video media setelah kalari minus the financial respectable mission as master of lari minus in the Quran Junior School and respectable my parents, my whole family. Today will be explained about Isar. Isar is a very dry region with little rainfall. Often identified with fast expanse of sand or and scorching heat. Uniqueness is extreme temperature difference. Uh, Isar can hot during day and cold during night. Next is unique life. Many animal and plant successfully adapt with the in the desert. Uh, Example is cacti or cactus that have a long root for fine water. And next camel have can store many water in the in his bodies. Okay, I think it's not for tonight. Thanks so much for watching and see you soon for the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.